Unlock your speed. How to run faster with these expert tips. Have you ever wanted to break your limits and run faster than ever before? Today, we are diving into the top 5 tips. First up, focus on your form. Keep your shoulders relaxed, arms swinging by your side, and avoid crossing them in front of you. Next, incorporate interval training into your routine. Mix short bursts of high-speed running with periods of slower-paced recovery to build speed and endurance. Don't underestimate the power of strength training. Stronger muscles will improve your running efficiency and help you maintain speed for longer. Remember to stay hydrated and fuel your body with the right nutrients. Proper nutrition is key to optimizing your performance and recovery. Lastly, ensure you're giving your body enough rest. Recovery days allow your muscles to repair and become stronger, making you faster. By following these tips, you're on your way to achieving new personal records. The path to speed is through consistent effort and smart training.